Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and allow you to generate shareable links that will later convert into QR codes. Wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, where you can see all your stored files and folders. This is the main hub for managing everything you've uploaded to your cloud storage. Now, on the left-hand side of your OneDrive dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the My Files option. This will display all the files currently stored in your OneDrive account, making it easy to locate the specific file you want to create a QR code for. Next, browse through your files and select the one you want to share via QR code. You'll notice a small check icon appears next to each file when you hover over it. Click on this check icon to select your desired file. Once selected, a top action menu will appear with several options for managing your file. From this top menu, click on the Share button. This will open a sharing options window that gives you multiple ways to share your file with others. The Share feature is essential because it creates a secure, accessible link that anyone with the QR code can use to access your file. In the sharing options window that appears, look for and click on the Copy Link option. This action copies a direct URL to your file to your clipboard. This link is what will transform into a scannable QR code, making it incredibly easy for others to access your file using their mobile devices. Now open a new browser tab and head to google.com. In the search bar, type in Online QR Generator and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the first result that appears. This will take you to a free QR code generator website, where you can convert any URL into a scannable QR code. Once the QR generator site loads, click on the website option. This tells the generator that you want to create a QR code for a web link, rather than text, email, or other formats. Next, you'll see a URL field where you need to paste your OneDrive file link. Right-click in this field and paste the link you copied earlier, then click Next at the bottom of the screen to proceed. On the following screen, you'll have the option to customize and design your QR code. This step is completely optional, but it allows you to change colors, add logos, or adjust the style to match your branding or preferences. Feel free to experiment with these design options if you want a more personalized QR code. Once you're satisfied with your design, or if you prefer to keep it simple, click the Create button. The website will then generate your QR code instantly. You now have a functional QR code that links directly to your OneDrive file, making it incredibly convenient to share documents, images, or any other files with others. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your OneDrive file that anyone can scan to access your shared content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.